Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to fill a guest cert redemption form online. First, visit www.bzzgetaway.com. Now you are on the home page. Click on the booking link from the top menu bar. From the booking page, click on the Redeem Your Guest Cert button to the right top of the screen and you will be directed to the online form. Please fill in the required information. Double check that is all correct and hit the Send button when you are ready. Our support system will receive your request and make all the necessary adjustments if any are needed. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you may contact us at support@bzzgetaway.com. Have a wonderful journey with Bzzgetaway.